Hi folks, it's Switchback. These Yeti latches can break for all sorts of reasons, and if you remember my bear video, you saw when this happened. Thankfully, Yeti does sell a replacement pack for these. As of recording, they are $17 for a pair of them on the Yeti website. You can get different ones that are not Yeti brand on the Amazon website that say that they are Yeti compatible. I haven't tried them, so I really can't speak to them. But replacing these is pretty straightforward, and so I'm gonna show you how we do that today. The items that you will need are, of course, the replacement latches. We're just gonna replace one today. You'll need a flathead screwdriver, pliers. So these are needle nose, but you can use larger pliers than this. And either a hammer or a mallet. On the side of the Yeti here, you'll see this pin, and this goes through the latch right here. So we're gonna open up this pack of latches here. And you'll see that they are angled like this. This is how it needs to be. And you can see the hole where the pin goes through here. All right. So I'm able to pry this out without even using a hammer, but I will need something to get it back in. So this is where the pliers come in. And that does slide out very easily, I will say. So there's that. So far this is even easier than I thought it was gonna be. So again, Yeti side out, you want that logo out. And push the pin. I can see it going through here. All right. And we have a functioning latch again. I hope you found this helpful to get more out of your investment in your Yeti cooler. And if you're into backpacking, camping, hiking, that sort of thing, be sure to subscribe down below and like this video if you found it at all helpful. I'll look forward to seeing you next time. Thanks. Bye.